let me show you how to create a logo from an image using Canva AI. You might want to do this if you are starting a new business, starting a new project, launching a new product, and you need a logo. I will say that Canva AI isn't really up to par with some of the, top tier image models. One of the nicer things about Canva is that after its AI generates something, you have more editing options than you do with some other platforms. So let me show you how to do it, then you can make your own decision. So you go to canva.com and then you get to this page, and it usually goes to the templates tab here. Even if it doesn't matter, because you're going to go to the Canva AI tab. And you're going to click on design in the bottom here. And then you're going to click on logo. And then you're going to click on the plus to attach your image. And depends on where it is. If it's on your computer, click upload. If it's in Canva, add from Canva, etc. Mine is in Canva, and this is the image that I'm going to use. And the idea is I'm going to have it basically extract the elephant and then use that to create a logo. So add from Canva and then put that in. So now here's my image, and then prompt goes above it. And I'm just asking it to create a vector logo using the elephant from the image. And be careful with your wording in this. And now, see, this is a perfect example because sometimes this doesn't work with Canva, and I don't know why. Let me try it again. It's interesting because I just did this before I started recording. So let me delete the chat and try it one more time with the same prompt that I used the first time. And this is one of the things with Canva. It's inconsistent and it can be frustrating. So I did this exact same image, the exact same prompt, and it doesn't work. So let me show you one that we did. Same image, a slightly different prompt. This was maybe a week ago. And these are the logos that it gave back. And you can click on one of them. You can click on any of them and then get a bigger view of it. And then you can open the editor if you want to edit something. Something I'll point out. This one is an image, so I can't change any of the text. And this one, again, like I'm clicking on the text and it doesn't do anything because that one, the whole thing's an image. And contrast that with this one where I'm not even clicking. If I just mouse over the text, it highlights it, and then I can come in here and I can change it. And then this I can change. So depending on how Canva actually renders your logo, you may or may not be able to edit the text. Like, see, this one I can edit. So let's say I like this one, and I pick this, and then I go to Canva Editor, and then I can make some more changes. Again, I can't change everything, but I can come in here. If I click on it, I get the little menu at the top, and I can edit, and then there's I can add some filters if I want to change. So, the background's changing slightly. I can change the intensity of that. Get rid of that. I can add some effects. There are other AI tools that I can use. So I can do some editing in here. So that I'll let you play around with, but just to go back to one, how do I get out of here? Yeah, so if I go back here, I go home, and so Canva.com and then come to Canva AI, and then you're going to select design and then select logo, and then upload your image and then put in your prompt. And as you saw, sometimes it doesn't actually comply. So I did this exact image and this exact prompt right before I started recording this video, and it worked fine. But I deleted it, so I can't show you that one. But I do it now, and then it says it can't do it. So I don't even know what to say to get it to work every time, because it's not consistent for me. But if it doesn't work, just try a slightly different prompt, and then you'll usually get 4 options, and you can click on them to see which pieces you can edit. Click on it, go into edit, and make your changes, and go from there. You can save it, you can add it to something else in Canva, etc. Try it out, see what you think, ask any questions if you have them, and we'll see you next time.